Today we're going to be making a star box. Let's get started. The first thing I need you to do is take your paper and make sure it's a square. Take the left hand side, bring it over to the right hand side, going corner to corner. Sliding across and pushing down firmly. Open up your paper, bottom to top. Corner to corner, sliding down, and opening up. The next step, take your hand, fold, flip over your paper. We are going to take this from a square to a rhombus. Now that it's in a rhombus, a diamond shape, I want you to take the very bottom, bring it up to the top, edge to edge, corner to corner, and slide across. Press down all the way. Open up your paper. Now, I need you to stop and look for the horizontal line. You should have a horizontal line across your paper. Take this horizontal line and make it a vertical line. Vertical. Once you have the vertical, we're going to go from bottom to top. You're going to open up your paper. Now, the next step. I need you to turn your paper so that it's back into a square. Back into a square. And I see that there is a vertical line, horizontal line, diagonal line, diagonal line. Put your fingers on either side of your paper like you're pinching the paper and gently pull. When you do that, your paper will actually pop so that the top part goes down and the bottom part goes down and this center line comes up. You are going to take your hands and we are going to just gently squeeze at the very top. Now, when you have this top part, when you gently push in your paper, it's going to make some lines. Now, I want you to just slide your hands towards the middle. You can see all my hands, my fingers are right in the middle. And I want you to gently just push up to the top and then slide your hands down. When you have that, I want you to place your paper straight down. Next step, we're going to check to make sure this is correct. There is going to be a diamond on the top, two pieces inside the middle, and a diamond at the very bottom. We are going to take and make a kite shape. So I'm going to take this very bottom edge and I'm going to bring it right to the middle of my paper. So what I have to do is take both hands and curve until there's a line right in the middle and I press down all the way. Other side, this line is going to go right inside the middle. Both hands curving the paper in right to the middle and press down. When you see that you have finished, you will see that it looks like a kite shape. There's a triangle at the top and a triangle down at the very bottom. I'm going to do the next step by flipping the paper over. Hand underneath, flipping the paper over. Repeat the same step all over again. I'm going to take this outside line, edge of that paper, bring it right to the middle. Other side to the middle. Remember, use both hands and press down. Now you have a kite on both sides as you flip it over and over again. Now, we're going to the next step. You have to take one side of the kite and lift it straight up. You are going to take your finger, place it right inside the middle. If you remember the origami house, we simply took the finger, placed it inside, and then with your other hand, bring it straight down. We're going to do the other side as well, lifting it straight up, finger inside, coming straight down, and diagonal line. We're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Hand underneath, flip it over like a pancake. Take the edge straight up, finger inside, bring it straight down. Flap, lift it straight up, finger inside, coming straight down. Now, we're ready for the next step. I need you to take this and place it so that it's horizontal. Horizontal. So you have a rhombus here, and then you have all the pieces that we folded are on the right-hand side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this outside edge and place it right here in the middle, right where it's empty. So I'm going to just take both hands, my hands are back here folding, and push it behind. Now it's inside the middle. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Flip it backwards. Just take some adjusting, but you still can do it. Push it backwards. Again, taking the shape, bringing it backwards, and one last time. Bringing it backwards, pushing it behind. Now, next step. We're going to take this rhombus and bring it straight up into a triangle and push down. Bring it back down. It's not going to stay up, it's going to come back down. Take each part, and I call this a flap. We're going to take each flap and bring it all the way down as far as possible, and then slowly open it up. And the next one, coming back down, coming back down, opening this up, coming back down, and when I finish, I'm going to see that both of those edges pushing all the way down. Take my fingers inside and pushing down at the exact same time. going to have my star box. And you are complete.